Ye too far. Na me den sem na bre odi a hye so say Ghana Premier League season 2021-2022 no enei akabe matches miensa ansa na kwawie na so krobia metema Kumase Asante Kotoko so na nanom enya age esi wo mo na so sanse nei wo matimi akobo draw e wo Lenkley Sports Stadium a Ghana fo nyina media mu nchechre mu hene Sergio Manucho wachire mu.
They are trying to keep hold on the ball, trying to get the passing right. Good play again.
Oh, and the youngster leaves the ball behind. Another opportunity for Ash Gold. Lovely dummy by Yawano. Classic goal.
Incredible. This is magnificent. What a way to get your 20th goal, Yawano. I mean, you give him a slip of a chance and he will punish you.
Remains. Free kick is on. This time is deep from Imoro, and Kotoko get themselves back in the game.
Another very good quality free kick from Imoro. And guess who pops up? It's Maxwell Ajiman with a towering header. Last week it was Apple with a towering header. This week is the turn of the Rasta ginger hair, Maxwell Ajiman.